Alright, I never know how to start these things off, so alright, so Tiffy Blaze here. Blaze in a Haze, Tiffy Blaze, Tiffany. We need a better intro. That's all I'm gonna say. We need a better intro. So today it might not be a lot of talking, because usually when I do my makeup I'm very focused and I kind of just zone in and even forget I'm recording. So there's that. And I'm late because it's the end of the month and it's been Pride Month all month long, and now it's the last days and I'm just now getting my life together. So let's do these eyebrows. I'm gonna be using the Equality. I look so ugly. The Equality. Okay, excuse me. We're gonna be using the Equality Bundle by Jeffree Star right here. You see that one right there. And we're gonna be using them as liquid lipsticks to color our eyebrows. I'm kind of scared, but we gonna do this. Yeah, so there's that. look that great. But I had fun doing it. So there's that. I'm trying to get a thumbnail the whole time while I'm talking at the same time. But yeah, so I had fun doing it. It doesn't look that great. My wings came out crazy. I don't know, and then my eyebrow turned into like more Joker-ish on this side than rainbow. I don't know, but there's that. And so if you want to check out what I'm gonna do next, just go ahead and hit my next video, or wait for it. It might not be posted yet, but wait for the next video to be posted and go check that out. And if it is posted already, I'll go ahead and link it somewhere up here, up there, right, left, I don't know. And thank you for watching. This was a weird, like, I wanted to post this in parts. So I wanted to do the eyebrows as one video, the eyes as one video, and then the face as one video. Content, you know I'm all about content. So go ahead and check the other two videos out, and thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave a like,